When you're cruising the coastal states like, California or Florida, there's usually two things people are looking for. That's good beaches and great seafood. And from what the locals tell us, we found both here at the Whale's Rib restaurant in Deerfield Beach, Florida.
Pound of large stone, steam dip switch.
We're about 100 yards from the ocean. The fish is always fresh, always.
Mussels and garlic butter.
The rock shrimp is the best.
Best clam chowder since I was 8 years old.
Made the same way since owner Dale Stevenson,
Who had the oysters?
opened this joint almost 30 years ago.
A lot of repeat business from people when they were kids. Now they're 30 years old. They're coming back with their kids.
I've been coming here for 20 some odd years. It's exactly the same.
With a staff that keeps on coming back, too.
How many years?
19.
What'd you do, start in kindergarten?
Yeah. Oh, I love you.
And kitchen manager John Keener,
We got 2 dozen raw oysters going to the bar side.
he's been here since '93.
It's not fresh, you're not
We
carrying.
ain't having it.
I like the attitude.
I've got a medium and large stone crab here. They are in season right now.
Awesome crab cakes.
You haven't even been into it yet.
Yeah, I had one earlier. This is my second plate.
1 dozen oysters. Pick it up.
I've had oysters, but not fresh like this.
In the shell,
That's how I shot.
baked with Parmesan, and this classic,
Oysters Rockefeller.
done the Whale's Rib way.
Very good with the tomato.
With a tomato slab? Is that normal?
It's normal for them.
First of all, what type of oysters are we rocking out?
From the Gulf of Mexico.
Are they fresh?
Oh, definitely.
Did you shuck them here?
Yes, sir. Steamed spinach here.
Press the water out of it.
Definitely. You didn't want soup on your oysters. Give it a coarse chop. Go in the bowl with it.
Not starting out with the frozen. Okay, so fresh
Nope.
spinach steamed.
Diced onion, Italian breadcrumbs,
Okay.
Parmesan cheese, teaspoon of cayenne pepper,
Supposed to say like cayenne.
cayenne pepper, about an ounce of black pepper, white wine. That's all she wrote.
Wow, so that's very spinachy.
Very much so. We're gonna put the Rockefeller mix on top of the oyster on the half
A
shell.
little tray wrapped in tin foil so you don't have to scrub it too hard.
Go easy on the dishwashers.
Holy pinch, Popeye.
Slice of tomato, a little provolone cheese.
Tomato.
Tomato, yeah. A little parm on top just to brown it up.
I have never seen it made this way. This is the most unique.
Welcome to Deerfield Beach.
Okay.
In the oven she goes.
So they're gonna go down for about 10 minutes?
A little under 10 minutes.
Nice and bubbly?
Yep.
Tomato?
Tomato, buddy, I'm telling you. Wait till you try it.
Look at the hot, molten lava of spinach and such. What do you think? Go for it?
I say go for it.
Still hot.
How's that tomato, huh?
Wow, that's good. I do enjoy the acid from the tomato. As odd as it sounds, it really does work in there. And the spinach is nice. You really do get real spinach out of that. That's a really good Rockefeller. It's the burnt cheese around the edge that gets you.
Where's the hot?
The combination of it all. It's not just spinach, it's not just oyster, it's not just tomato.
Couldn't get any better than this. Everything is fresh, cooked perfectly.
Every single day you come here, you're guaranteed perfect food.
Tilapia, black and dolphin, baby.
Clams and linguine.
This is a calamari salad. It's
Is
delicious.
it orange calamari down here in Florida?
They marinated it. I gotta put a little whale juice on it though.
What is whale juice?
A little bit like a honey mustard sauce.
It brings out all the flavors. It's amazing. I love it.
That's our house dressing, the whale juice, 4 gallons of mayonnaise. And
This much?
This is only a half batch.
Look at that. Okay, so now we have 4 gallons of mayo.
2 ounces of black pepper, white vinegar here,
Down with that.
about 3 pounds of sugar, 2 cups of mustard, and we just whip.
The water go in?
I do the water at the end.
Just get the right viscosity?
Yep.
So is it good to go?
After it sits in the fridge overnight, sugar breaks down.
Good stuff, man.
It's a must with the whale fries, but it goes with all their stuff.
Especially the sandwiches.
Cheese combo.
Swiss American provolone, fantastic.
The whale, cold cuts, capicola, extra whale juice on the side. Delicious.
What else should I try when I come here?
Get a fried dolphin Key West.
This is my favorite.
Coleslaw, Thousand Island dressing on a fried piece of dolphin.
It is fantastic.
But we're not talking about flippers. We're talking about the fish.
The fish.
And what else do you call dolphin? Because I don't think everybody...
Mahi. They call it Dorado out west, I believe.
So fresh it'll slap you?
Oh, you betcha. We're going to remove the fat there on the belly meat. Do my best to cut 7-ounce portions.
You're shy on that one.
Sure.
Yeah. That right there, 7 flat.
7 even? Wow, that's pretty good, brother. That's on the money. We are taking applications.
Okay, so you butterfly it, and how can I get my dolphin Key West sandwich?
Black and grilled or fried.
I hear the beer batter is the money.
You can do one of those. We use Miller Lite. You can use any lager you'd like. Soda water, black pepper, 2 ounces of Lowry seasonal salt, all-purpose self-rising flour until I get the right consistency, almost the consistency of a pancake batter. Then we refrigerate, and then it's ready to go. And this is a 50-50 blend, corn, flour.
And all-purpose?
Yep.
Getting the flour on the fish helps the beer batter stick to the fish, and the moisture of the fish, the flour sticks to it.
That's it. We hit it against the container a few times, knock off the excess batter.
And let her float. Wow, look at that puff up already. All that carbonation in the soda water and the beer. So while that's cooking, you get it ready.
Sure.
Smells
50
good.
wheat, 50 white. It comes in every morning also. We get 2 ounces, 1,000.
It's a generous portion.
Sandwich is a little messy. Purple slob.
And this is something that you guys make every day?
Every day. Couple slices of Swiss.
And down it goes.
Off to the pizza oven.
Slaw gets hot too?
Yes, sir.
That I have not seen in my lifetime.
Wait till you try it, brother. Piece of fried fish.
Crispy and super hot.
That's it.
I can smell the beer batter. The fish has got killer crunch. Nice, succulent, fresh. The warm slaw actually really becomes creamy. I guess you gotta come to Florida to get a sandwich like that.
Yes, you do.
Light, flaky, they're tasty.
Very
You're right.
fresh tasting.
Black and dolphin, baby.
This is the best of Deerfield.
The main reason I came to Florida was to have the seafood. It's delicious.
And I wouldn't really go anywhere else.
People who live around here hang out. They kept us going, and for a tiny little place, I think it's fantastic.
Can't beat it.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thanks.